In today's video, you'll learn 9 early signs of dementia and simple actions to prevent it. You can start now. Dementia is a term used to describe a decline in cognitive function that interferes with daily life. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, but there are several types, each with different causes and characteristics. Dementia is not a normal part of aging and can affect individuals differently, often requiring supportive care and management as it progresses. First and foremost, stress, fatigue, and lack of sleep can mirror the signs of dementia. If you're stressed or tired, or maybe if you didn't sleep, you could have symptoms of dementia without having the illness. So even if you identify with the following signs, it doesn't mean that you have dementia if they're only present occasionally. And if you can think of someone who has these symptoms, understand it could be lack of sleep or overall health, not real dementia. What is dementia? It's a mental decline reflex of brain atrophy. There is a shrinkage of the hippocampus in the brain. The hippocampus is a critical structure in the brain, primarily involved in the following functions. Memory formation. It plays a key role in forming new memories, particularly in converting short-term memories into long-term ones. Spatial navigation. The hippocampus is important for spatial memory and navigation, helping individuals remember locations and how to navigate through environments. Learning. It contributes to learning processes by helping encode and retrieve information. Contextual memory. The hippocampus helps associate memories with specific contexts, allowing you to recall the circumstances surrounding events. Emotional regulation. It also has a role in regulating emotions, as it interacts with other brain regions involved in emotional processing. Overall, the hippocampus intervenes in achieving effective learning and memory, making it crucial for daily functioning and overall cognitive health. If the hippocampus atrophies, general mental ability declines, dementia onset, and these are the 9 signs to look for. 1. Difficulty organizing and planning tasks. Struggling to complete daily activities that were once routine, such as cooking or managing finances. Pay attention if routine activities begin to feel overwhelming. 2. Notable personality changes. Experiencing mood swings, increased anxiety, or changes in behavior that are out of character. Beware, because factors like emotional and psychological stress or health issues can alter a person's demeanor and is not necessarily dementia. 3. Gut health, constipation. While this may seem unrelated, there's a strong connection between gut health and brain function. Our gut is like a second brain. We have more nerve fibers in our digestive system than in our spinal column. Cognitive problems can originate from our gut. The microbiome in our gut, the symbiotic bacteria population, play a role in neurotransmitters production. We produce more serotonin in our gut than in our brain. Patients with Alzheimer's or Parkinson's have a much higher incidence of constipation than someone who doesn't. 4. Sensory dysfunction. Decline or changes with smell, taste, hearing, eyesight, appetite, touch, balance, can hint cognitive decline. As it progresses, the ability to focus, understand, and overall memory become more impaired. 5. Language difficulties. Struggling to find words, incoherent speech, or repeating oneself may indicate issues with the hippocampus. This disruption in communication can be frustrating for both the speaker and listeners. 6. Difficulty navigating new surroundings, disorientation, when locating new places becomes challenging. As spatial navigation is one of the functions of the hippocampus, this could be a sign of loss of function of this structure. 7. Poor or decreased judgment. Difficulty making decisions, especially regarding finances or personal safety. 8. Withdrawal from social activities. Losing interest in hobbies, social gatherings, or engaging with friends and family. 9. Memory loss. Probably the most known symptom. Frequent forgetfulness, especially of recent events or important dates. These signs need to be medically confirmed, and acting early has a huge impact on correcting the progression of dementia. We now share with you 8+ actions that help with dementia onset and progression. Importance of diet. We shouldn't underestimate diet's role in brain health. Quite often, brain health issues are dismissed as genetics or stress, but diet is vital for keeping proper cognitive health. 1. Focus on thiamine, vitamin B1. A common cause of hippocampus atrophy is thiamine or B1 deficiency. Vitamin B1 is necessary for energy production. Thiamine converts carbohydrates into energy. It serves as a coenzyme in the metabolism of glucose, which is the primary energy source for the body's cells. Thiamine helps facilitate the transport of glucose into brain cells, ensuring that they receive adequate fuel. This process is vital for maintaining brain health and supporting cognitive functions such as memory, attention, and problem-solving. Nervous system function. Thiamine is vital for maintaining proper nerve function. It helps in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are key molecules in memory and learning. Cognitive function. Thiamine has antioxidant properties, helping to protect brain cells from oxidative stress, which can damage neurons and contribute to cognitive decline. By reducing oxidative damage, thiamine helps maintain neuronal integrity and function. Heart health. Vitamin B1 prevents complications related to heart disease by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the cardiovascular system. Synthesis of molecules. Thiamine is involved in the synthesis of several molecules, including nucleic acids and the production of neurotransmitters, which are important for brain and nerve function. A deficiency in vitamin B1 can lead to symptoms such as weakness, fatigue, and neurological disorders. As vitamin B1 is needed to metabolize sugar, carbohydrates, and alcohol, the more you consume them, the more B1 your body needs. Avoid drinking alcohol and reduce carbohydrates and sugar intake to release more B1 for metabolic reactions involved in brain vitality. And increase your B1 intake. Nutritional yeast is a good source of B1. Also, whole grains and legumes are good bioavailable sources of thiamine. As always, supplementing can be an option. B1 functional dose is 2 milligrams per day. Choose a good GMP product. 2. Prioritize gut health. Focus on gut health. A diverse microbiome plays a critical role in cognitive health, as some neurotransmitters, serotonin for instance, and some group B vitamins are produced by it. Research on Alzheimer's and Parkinson's evidence a lack of diversity in the microbiome alongside with gut inflammation. You can increase the diversity of your microbiome and promote a healthy gut by including a variety of vegetables into your diet. Aim for a big variety of plant-based foods each week to support a thriving microbiome. Try sauerkraut, kimchi, or kombucha for their probiotic benefits. Another option is fasting. Fasting increases the diversity of your microbiome because good bacteria get stronger and new strains grow. Also realize that gut and brain are connected bidirectionally through the vagus nerve. Information goes from the gut to the brain and vice versa. So if you have a problem with your brain, you can have a problem with your gut. If you have a problem with your gut, you can have a problem with your brain. And to prevent an issue with one of them, you must treat the other as well. 3. Ketones. In early stages of dementia, brain cells don't get the much-needed glucose for fuel, so they die, and the brain shrinks. Ketones bypass the damage in the brain and feed the neurons directly. If you feed your brain ketones, it can thrive. When fasting, we produce ketones in higher quantities than following a low-carb diet. If you wish to prevent dementia, you can do regular intermittent fasting as well as periodic prolonged fasting. You'll see huge benefits. You can also get exogenous ketones as a supplement. 4. Ginkgo biloba has shown some significant benefits for dementia patients, specifically the extract EGB 761. Apparently, that extract gives significant neural protection for the brain. Ginkgo biloba has been used for centuries to increase memory, learning ability, and overall, brain vitality. It increases blood circulation, which provides more oxygen, diminishes numbness in extremities, regulates body temperature, but needs monitoring in patients with high blood pressure. It's very popular amongst students during exam season. 5. Lion's mane mushroom. It's an adaptogen mushroom with big impact on cognitive function. It contains compounds like hericenones and arenosines, which are thought to stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, crucial for the growth and maintenance of neurons, and promotes gut health by supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria. 6. Choose organic when possible. Non-GMO, organic foods are generally devoid of pesticides and chemicals that could disrupt your microbiome and impact on your brain health. 7. Physical activity. Exercise increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain, which helps to nourish brain cells and promotes cognitive function. Just a walk each day can make a significant impact. 8. Mental and social engagement. Activities that challenge your brain, like puzzles, games, and learning new skills, keep your mind sharp. Likewise, maintaining social connections improves brain health and reduces risks of cognitive decline. Plus, final recommendations for a healthy brain and body. Make sure you have omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA, found in fatty fish and fish oil, cod liver oil. It's important for cognitive function and neuroprotection. Vitamin D, neurotransmitter regulation, cognitive function and mood and mental health regulation. Zinc, crucial for neurotransmission and mood regulation. Good quality sleep. If you're not sleeping, your cortisol levels increase, stress levels increase, and oxygen levels get depleted. You can take action now to prevent dementia. Advice with your healthcare provider, maintain a healthy diet, reduce stress, engage socially, and keep your brain challenged. Health is not all about your genes, it's a lot about your choices. If you found this information helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.